So today we have the media enclosure. It's a very simple setup. There's 4 holes. You just screw it onto the wall. Here. However, you do have the option to screw it onto between 2 studs. They do have tabs right here, on both sides. I will be using this to connect my Wi-Fi router and maintain a lot of the cables organized. So it does come with a faceplate that all you have to do is line the holes with the screw and begin to tighten the other 4 screws. So what's included is these plugs so you could keep the wires enclosed, zip ties to help with the cable management, these anchors which I won't be using since I'm going to be directly screwing the 4 screws that are included onto the stud, and a screwdriver